You are?
I'm Jennifer.
Jennifer, how you doing, Jennifer? So, what happened to your hair?
I went to Visible
Damages?
Damages, yes.
She went to Visible Damages.
It's pretty messed up.
Look at this shit.
So I'm here to fix
fried
it.
her hair.
Look at
They
this.
gave her a so-called balayage, but then they covered it up, and then they look at this. Wow. And then the haircut is oh my god. This is all right. We're gonna well, here's the beginning phases, guys. All right, bye. Guys, we're back right now. I did one side of her haircut first. Guess which side I did? I'm sure you can tell which side I did. So this side over here, I did not touch it. And then look at this side over here. Look at this. Watch this right here. You flip it and watch this. Watch where the layer hits her cheekbone. Look at that. See that right there? Give me bitch face. See that? See the shadowing? Right up into there. See that? This is even without a curling iron, a round brush, or any of that bullshit. This is my haircut.
No heat, nothing.
Heat, nothing. Look at all this. This is. And what do we call this haircut? I woke up like this.
Hey.
Stay tuned for more. Okay, now we've done both sides. Now look at that. Give me bitch face. Look at that. Look where the layer goes right in her. Not her having to do a rash or a wand or anything. Look at the. No, I want you to hide your. Okay, here we are now. We're at the final stage. I Olaplexed her. And we are finished with the hair. Turn. Tell about the experience. What do you think?
I love it. Experience was awesome. I cannot believe that my hair has turned out like it's awesome, right?
Yes, it's amazing.
Yes.
Balayage without doing the balayage. I had no foil, no heat. Look at
One
that.
of a kind experience, most definitely. Life changing for sure.
Thank you.
No